Yvette here, also known as Disneyland Mermaid on Instagram, and today I'm going to the Captain Marvel premiere! Ah! I can't believe it! It hasn't hit me until right now. We're about to go on Hollywood Boulevard and sign in, and hopefully I can film everything and vlog everything for you guys, but we just need to stop by Sephora real quick because we need to touch up our faces, you know? Just checked in at El Capitan, got my lanyard. Whoop. Yeah! And then a fanny pack and some Captain Marvel sunglasses.
Exciting spot in the galaxy, I think, tonight.
I know, and definitely in Hollywood. We're here on Hollywood Boulevard, waiting for all of the stars to come join us here on the red carpet and have an incredible night.
Oh my god. Wow. She's fabulous.
What? Okay.
I'm confident as well. There are so many people that want to talk to you tonight, so thank you for stopping by and speaking with us.
Okay, it's a pleasure.
Excited to do? Who were you most excited to see?
And it was all good. I didn't say
Starting out, you look totally different than what people are used to. You look hairier, younger.
It is the belle of the ball right here, Captain Marvel. I just need to say to you, you two incredibly brilliant, powerful women standing up here. Right now, you are between the U.S. Air Force.
You're just like, you've always been such an inspiration. Thank you. And your workout training I started I got like 140 right now.
That's hard.
I'm getting there.
Doesn't it feel good?
On the hip thrusters? Oh.
Yeah, it's hard. But I know it gives you a rush. It feels really good. Yeah, picture.
So much.
Yeah.
But seeing them in those games is very stirring. Something about seeing them in an F-16 is very powerful.
See how the water just
Just got out from seeing the movie. It was so good. As soon as it started, I ripped off my eyelashes because I knew I was gonna be crying, and I did. She is just so freaking powerful, and I'm just looking at it like Marvel just did that. We just got our first female lead superhero, and she is the baddest of them all, and it was amazing. Before we even walked in there, we asked where our seats were, and we're waiting for the elevator, and Black Panther comes out, and Allison and me and the two other girls we're with were just like, it's the king, and we're all like being real cool about it. And even the elevator lady was like holding the button like gooped and gagged, and then as soon as we walk in the elevator, all of us were like, so beautiful. Beautiful chocolate daddy, we love him so much. We stand. The movie was so good. I can't wait to see it again. Thank you so much, Hot Topic, and thank you, Disney, for inviting us. It was the best time of my life ever. Period. Punto final. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!